In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block shorts in Brave browser. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring that you can easily navigate through the steps. This will help you focus on the content you truly want to see without the distraction of shorts. First, you need to launch Brave browser on your device. This is your starting point for all the adjustments and settings we'll be working on today. Make sure your browser is up and running smoothly. If Brave is already your default browser, this should be a quick and straightforward step. Once you have Brave open, look to the top right corner. You'll notice the menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to accessing various settings and options that Brave offers. This icon is designed to be easily recognizable and accessible, ensuring you can quickly find what you need. From the menu, you'll want to select Settings. Now, this is a crucial step because it takes you into the heart of customization within Brave. In the settings, you have the power to tailor the browser to your specific needs and preferences. This is important because it gives you control over your browsing experience. After entering the settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of categories. Click on Shields. Shields in Brave act as your personal defense mechanism. They protect you against unwanted trackers and ads, ensuring a more secure browsing session. Understanding Shields is key because it allows you to enhance privacy, one of Brave's standout features. Next up, within the Shields section, you'll need to click on Content Filtering. This area is where you can manage how content is displayed and filtered on the websites you visit. By controlling content filtering, you can streamline your browsing experience. It helps to block distractions like the YouTube shorts we're focusing on today. Now, scroll through the list of filters available to you. You're looking for an option titled YouTube Anti-Shorts. Alternatively, you can use the search bar located at the top of the page to quickly find it. This feature is specifically designed to target and block YouTube Shorts, helping you maintain a cleaner interface on the platform. Once you have located the YouTube Anti-Shorts filter, check the box next to it or toggle it on. This action activates the filter. By doing this, you're effectively removing shorts from your YouTube interface. It's a simple action, but one that significantly enhances your browsing experience by eliminating content you might find unnecessary. At this point, it's important to refresh any open YouTube tabs you have. This ensures that the changes take effect immediately. After refreshing, you'll notice that the Shorts tab, as well as any homepage shelves and search results related to Shorts, will disappear. This confirms that the filter is active and working as intended. By following these steps, you've successfully blocked shorts in Brave browser. This allows you to focus on the content you prefer without the distraction of shorts. Remember, these adjustments are reversible, so you can always change settings if your preferences evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing with Brave.